Hey guys, Jay here. So my next project is going to be tiling a countertop, but unfortunately my wet tile saw got flooded during the hurricane. As of right now, this thing is completely locked up. So my goal for today is to see if just using basic hand tools, a little bit of lubricant, if I can get this thing apart, get that motor working again, get all the linkage freed up, and get this thing functioning properly. I think most of this is just going to be a time lapse unless there is just something that really needs to be explained. So, let's get into it. Alright, I got the pulley that spins the blade freed up. So now it's time to get this motor apart. See if I can get this freed up and working again. this is the ultimate test here. Finally gotten this thing at least partially reassembled. If it doesn't work right now, then I'm just gonna have to call it quits. But I mean, everything seems to turn freely. The question is, will this motor turn on when I flip the switch here? Fingers crossed. Oh, that seems like a yes. And it sounds horrible, but it sounds about the same as it did before, so I'm gonna call that a win. Let's get this thing the rest of the way back together. Alright, so we've got this thing hooked back up, put back together, saw that it ran, everything seems to function the way that it should. Got the little submersible cooling pump back in place, got the tube run under here where it'll spray on the blade here, cords all tied out of the way, so when this tray moves back, nothing's going to be in the way. There's room for a long tile to clear everything back here. That is a huge win. This is not an inexpensive piece of equipment. I think even now, if you buy the, I guess equivalent 10-inch tile saw from Harbor Freight, it's still like 350 bucks. And it honestly seems like a total piece of crap compared to this, just in terms of build quality. So much of this is cast metal. Just seems like a really heavy-duty construction. This thing was given to me about 10 years ago. I've used it on countless projects on my last house. Planning on continuing to use it now. I've lent it out to people who've used it on their projects, and this thing just keeps going. I honestly am very surprised that it works again after taking the motor apart and cleaning everything. But oh, got a big thunderstorm coming in. Anyway, I'm going to end it here. I'm going to keep getting this thing cleaned up. Really, it's just water at this point and a little bit of scrubbing. I may try an update later, do another video when I'm actually doing the little tile project that I've got going right now. But until then, hope you've enjoyed this. If you found it helpful at all, if it was interesting, drop me a comment. If I did something really stupid, which I probably did, but hey, the thing works. Subscribe. I'll keep posting videos. Anyway, catch you later.